watching Chiki Doodle.
Hands! Yep, that's right. We're going to give you a hand to draw a hand. You can always trace around your own hand or just draw it freestyle like this. Using a dark black pen, we're going to draw both of our hands, the right and the left. Hey, are you right-handed or left-handed? Well, I think that's really cool. Let's colour. Gonna start with glittery gold. Ooh, so nice on the left-hand side. What shall we do next? How about red? So we're doing long vertical sections here from the fingers down through the palm to the wrist. Next, we're going to go for green. Whoa, look at these colours. Hey, you could even colour your hands in the colours of your flag if you wanted to be nice and patriotic. Let's go for purple. We're doing a nice multicoloured hand because we love bright colours. Now, what's left? It's the thumb. Let's go for nice royal blue for our very important thumb. Well, we couldn't do much on a phone without it, could we? Let's go to our right hand, starting with royal blue for the thumb. We like them to be matching, and why not? Did you know that there are 27 bones in the human hand? 27 bones! And the fingers contain some of the densest areas of nerve endings in your entire body. Isn't it just amazing? Green next. You got it. That's right. Now, can you remember which colour came next to green? It's red. That's right. Good job. You're almost there. We've got one more section to colour after this. And it's going to be gold. Gorgeous gold. All the way down from side to side, staying in between the lines. Yes, you did it! Great job! High five! Hey kids, how are you today? We are going to learn the alphabet. That's right. And we're going to draw it and paint it too. Isn't that exciting? Ooh, I love drawing. We'll start with the letter A, then B, then C, and D. What comes next? It's E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. What comes next? L, then M, N, O, P, yay, Q, R, S, T, U, V. What's next? That's right, it's W, X, Y, and Z, or Z. Now we know our ABCs. This time won't you paint with me? Red. A is going to be red, like an apple. B is going to be yellow, like a banana. C can be purple, like a purple carrot. Yes, you can get purple carrots. Green for D, like a dinosaur. E can be pink, like a pink elephant. What colour shall we do F? Blue! What a great choice! Blue for a blue frog. Yellow again for G. G is going to be a giraffe. Next is H and we're going through the green again. How about a green helicopter? And I can be for ice. Blue ice. Jelly. Strawberry flavoured because it's pink. Next we're going for K. Gold. Koala. What shall we do for the letter L? Blue. What a great choice. It could be a blue lizard. Ooh. M can be red for a red monkey. Well, why not? It's my monkey and I want it to be red. Purple for N because it's such a nice colour. Ooh, let's go for gold again for O. It's almost orange, so we say O for orange. Red penguin. Why not? Green for a queen because it almost rhymes. A green queen, get it? Blue for rocket, because we're zooming into space. Yellow for sun. That's right, a yellow sun. Pink for telephone. Purple for umbrella. Now let's do yellow for a violin. And a window can be pink. Lovely. I'm going for the gold again for a xylophone, my favourite musical instrument. Green for a yo-yo. I like playing with yo-yos, it's so much fun. And last but not least, a red zebra. Well done! You drew and painted the whole alphabet, all 26 letters of it. Great job! Fantastic! Hey kids, look, such a colourful and fun pair of flip-flops. Let's draw them. Start off with the top half and then the straps and complete the bottom half. It's that easy. For the centre, let's draw a cute flower. And the stripes. Perfect. Now just repeat it all for the other one. Flower. The stripes. Amazing! Now let's paint. First some pink. Let's colour in our tippy toes with the pink. And green. Purple too. I love it, it's so sparkly. Yellow. Some red. Lovely. Some more green. We like this vibrant green colour. And last but not least, blue. A blue heel. And let's repeat it with the other one. Oh, let's do some pink on the inside of our straps and every other petal on our flower too. And some turquoise for the rest of our strap. Gorgeous! And some yellow for our remaining petals. Let's repeat all the colours for the other one too. Pink, then green, purple. Which colour's next, kids? Do you remember? Yes, it's yellow. And then, yes, red. Now, what comes after red? Check the other flip-flop. Yes, it's green. And finally, blue. The glittery colours look so pretty. Now let's paint our flower petals, every other one pink, and the inside of our straps. Going for the turquoise again for the rest of our straps. And finally, yellow. Finishing off our lovely flower petals and the centre. And there you have it. A beautiful sparkly pair of flip-flops. The glittery colours look so pretty, and it's perfect for a day at the beach. What do you think, kids? Hi kids, how are you today? Look at this beautiful scenery. Are you ready to draw and paint it with me? Fantastic! Right, we're going to start by drawing the sun. It's easy, just a circle with some rays. Now some curvy lines for hills and a rainbow in between two of them. Let's do a tree. How about some fruit in the tree? Just some little circles. A boat. And a house with a triangle roof, a rectangle door, a chimney, and some tiles. Some windows. Let's add in a river, some grass, and there you have it. We're ready to paint. Yellow sun, a a blue sky. You can of course use crayons, colouring pens, pencils or paint, whatever you prefer. It's going to be a beautiful scene. Okay, let's go for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, dark blue, purple. You can choose whatever colours you like, it's your picture. Stick to a traditional rainbow if you want. We're going brown for the hills. That's it. Lovely. One more to go. Going around the house. Done. Green tree. It's summertime, you know. Going around those fruits very carefully. We don't want to colour those in green. That's it. You're doing a great job. Well, I would love to live in a house like this, wouldn't you? With a rainbow and the sun is shining and there's a river. I've got my very own boat. Red fruit. What do you think it could be? Apples? Fantastic. A brown tree trunk. Let's go for a lighter green for the grass behind the river. That's a great contrast to the brown mountains. So we've got lots of brown and green. Going around the house. Lovely. Wow, what a beautiful garden. Let's do around the tree as well on the other side of the river. Let's paint the house. A yellow chimney top, yellow walls. Lovely. Let's go for red tiles. Excellent. And the edges can be blue, blue windows, and a pink chimney and door. Perfect. How about some yellow and pink for our boat? Blue for our river. Wow, that's lovely. It's a darker blue than the sky. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I've heard of once in a lullaby. It is absolutely beautiful. Maybe you'd find it at the end of a rainbow. Dark green for our tufts of grass, just like the tree. And there you have it. Perfect scenery.